What's up, y'all? We are live with a food review from My Job Walmart Supercenter. So right now we have coleslaw, rice, taco meat, and chili all mixed in. A little meat jambalaya. Let's give it a try. Gonna go 8.4. Ingredients mix well together. Chili and coleslaw add flavor. So y'all, the U.S. is hosting the World Cup right now, and we've got Scottish people putting up cones up and down the East Coast, Norwegians rowing across the country, and Bosnians in South Central LA repping blue. European Crips, y'all. I've seen it all.